all my First Presbyterian friends. It's Mrs. Erickson from Mrs. Pinchback's Monday, Wednesday, Friday threes class. I'm down at the Nature Center with my two boys, Willie and Tommy, and we're out at the pond. We're trying to catch a frog. We're curious if the frogs are out today, which they might be. Let's go look. I do think I see some turtles. Let's go take a look.
Hi.
All right, so we didn't see any frogs, but we found a lot of turtles down here at the pond. Do you see all these turtles? They're getting lots of sun out on these tree trunks that have fallen into the pond. Do you see them sticking their heads up? They're enjoying the sun and all the warmth today. We'll keep looking for frogs though, none yet today. Did you see that? That was a tadpole swimming away from us. Oh, there's another tadpole. We haven't found any frogs, and that's because they're all tadpoles right now. There goes another one. The boys and I are having so much fun trying to find frogs, but there's no frogs yet. They're still tadpoles. Soon they'll become frogs. Hi friends, I'm back again. The boys and I are about to leave the Nature Center today, but before we go, we wanted to show you, we stopped at a new little pond and we found some other little creatures. William found a snail.
Ah, a little snail.
And Tommy found some little flowers that are about to bloom inside the pond. Tommy, you want to point it out?
Yeah, from right there.
They're the little orange flowers.
And there's one right there.
All right, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.